Okay, so hi guys. Today I'll be unboxing my order from HSI. Tabunan ta lang. I'll just cover my information. It's from HSI. Isa from HSI na siya. Okay? So, sorry. No face because I'm too shy. Okay, so I'm actually here sa school because dito ko siya yung shipped or dito ko siya shinip. Okay, so this will be just an unboxing video with a slight of first impression with the smell of my order. So actually this is HSI or one of the HSI's new scent. So this is actually P L'Homme or Prada L'Homme by HSI. So I'm actually looking for a good office scent. Okay, let's see. Punta. Yeah, there we have it. Okay, so I actually asked for a specific, if I could have a vial of Eros Energy tsaka Bianco Latte. Okay, without further ado, let's go. Let's unbox this one. Okay. So it has a free 2 vials na. This is 50 Elegant. Here, Kilo. But before that, let's go muna with the free vials. Oh no, it's Voyage. It's Voyage. And then I have a Hasivat. See? Yan. Tamo na ninagano sa akon Hasivat. Oh my god. HSI, baka naman lain naman. Please. Miyara na ko ni. And then Voyage. Okay then. At this I know what is smell. Okay. Without further ado, let's go with the motivational P L'Homme. Okay. Okay. Check muna natin. Okay. Ay! Cut. Focus sa bottle. Okay, spray natin. Check. Pressurize na ba? Okay, cannot smell. Kita. Okay. 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 Oh my god. It smells very floral, lavender type. Very. It's. Yeah. Yung pagka-lipstick nga. It's very fresh, floral. Yeah. Lipstick vibe of scent. So that's it for motivational P L'Homme.